is good foods. Shout out to Fresh Kicks. But today we are reviewing cologne that I've been using for a long time. Maybe quite as long as Cuba Gold. Yeah, today we're reviewing, like I said, my camera sucks, so I won't be zooming in because it's trash until I get a new one. Can't afford a new one. But yeah, it's Mambo by Claiborne for men cologne spray. I have a bottle open. This is another one that I haven't used in months because I've been buying like the new ones. But like I said, I'm gonna keep saying the same stuff. I'm not the only person who be shaking up their colognes. But But for this one, the main notes are woody, citrus, fresh, spicy, aromatic, warm, spicy, powdery, lavender, white, floral, whatever the fuck that is, musky, and conifer, whatever the fuck that is. But yeah, bro. So let's get into this review, dog. Alright. First spray. Did I spray that shit in my milk, bro? It smells like nail polish. First initial spray is like alcoholic nail polish. But I definitely get that citrus. Alright, so the woody's coming in. With this, you don't really have to spray a lot. I'm getting like woody, definitely. But the main notes that's coming in, they said the main note is woody, but I'm not getting that. I'm getting like citrus, bro. Heavy citrus. Very light woody smell. Powdery, tiny bit of powdery. It's like some type of spice, so I get that. But I'm not getting... But the citrus is like a bit overpowering. So, if you see this... But yeah, the main thing I'm picking up is citrus. The woody smell is like... The woody smell is coming in like faintly. It's not like... They say it's the main... One of the main notes, but I'm not getting it. The citrus is like overpowering it. But I do get the woody. Powder is starting to come in now as it starts to simmer. And that spice, the powder, some musk. But the main notes that's like citrus is just overpowering it by far, bro. But I'm definitely getting that woody. Some, like, it's not, vanilla's not on here, but I'm getting like a tiny, maybe like 0.5% of vanilla. I'm getting that vanilla. I get that musky and the spicy. But like I said, the citrus just over. Alright, okay. Citrus just overpowering it. Now, it's starting to simmer down. So now the woody smell is starting to kick in, and the powder, and then it's like vanilla. Like, but there's no vanilla on here. Vanilla powder. So yeah, bro. Like, yeah. All right. So yeah. But like at first, when you first spray it, the citrus just overpowers every other smell for the first couple minutes. Then it simmers down. It starts to get slight woody, and then the powder just kicks in. Then, like I said, the vanilla, even though there's no vanilla in here, like a slight hint of vanilla and like musk. It smells very good. As far as like longevity, like this used to last me a couple of hours. This is like, I would say this can be used as business and club. But this lasts for hours on skin. And clothes hours as well. It's just like the Blue Ocean. Like, it lasts just as long. But Blue Ocean just lasts. But it doesn't last as long. I say like maybe an hour cut short from this. But this lasts very long. But I would say like maybe 2 sprays. One here and just like that. Or just walk into it. I wouldn't say anything more than 3 sprays with this. Especially off the top. I say spray it. Let it simmer, because the first thing you're going to smell is citrus for like a couple of minutes and then go out. Yeah. Because that citrus is it just kicks you right in the freaking face. But other than that, I love it, bro. It's still like one of my favorites, even though I haven't worn it in a while, because like I said, I've been wearing all these new perfumes. But like I said, that citrus just hits you in the freaking face, bro. And now, all I'm smelling is spice. That's all I'm smelling, spice. So it simmers down to just spice and powder. So yeah, as far as like clothes, like the powder and like a vanilla smell and woody smell, just that's what I like clothing from like what I remember. That's all for like hours. But yeah, I like this, bro. I got 2 bottles. I was thinking about doing a giveaway because I have a bottle and also Dracor Noir. But yeah, bro, I like it. I'll give it. I don't know if I'm gonna be doing like votes because I'm not good with numbers. I'm good with numbers, but I'm not good with numbers. I'll give it a. For longevity, 7.58. For overall, 7.58 overall. When it starts to simmer down, yeah. But like I said, when you first spray it, the citrus is just freaking overwhelming. First it's like alcohol, then overwhelming citrus. But I like it. It's sweet. If you're one of those, if you like sweet. But yeah, I like it, man. But any colognes you want me to do a review for, feel free to comment them down below. I'm out. I'm TR. Peace. Have a great day. Yay, yay.